Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Swapfone airdrop latest update. But before we dive in fully, if you like to join this channel, please do well to subscribe, like and share. Also join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. So here I'm going to look at their latest update today. They said tomorrow we have a huge quiz giveaway where we will award 10 lucky miners with 1 million CPEN, 5 lucky miners with 1,500 pi, and the luckiest miner with 1,000 USDS. So if you want to win this, you have to make yourself available tomorrow. 1 million CPEN, 1,500 pi, and 1,000 USDT, which is huge. So how do you get it? Turn on your notification on and you get your crypto knowledge ready. So if you have not started mining Swapfone, link in the video description. I'm also going to show you how you can remove the disgusting ads we are seeing on Swapfone. For more than 1 week now, I've not been able to log into my Swapfone because of this unnecessary ads. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly remove it so that you can start mining, and also remove any other ad related to any app you have in your phone. You are going to remove it entirely from your phone. Now watch me closely on how to do this. So I believe we all have settings in our phone. So you tap on your settings. Let's remove this unnecessary ads. Now you can now see connection and sharing. For my phone it's showing connection and sharing, but your phone it might be more connection. Whatever thing it is, just look for any word that has to do with connection and tap on it. So I'm going to tap on connection and sharing. Now you have tapped on it. The next thing to do here is to click on this private DSL. Tap on this arrow to turn it on. You can now see off automatic private DSL provider. Tap on this private DSL provider. They will prompt you to enter the home name of DNSL provider. So we are going to tap it here. DNS dot add guide .com. So this is the host name provider that you have to type. Then you click on this save here. Tap on this save. Can you see it has my private DSL has now shown this, meaning I have turned off the ads related to anything in my phone. I'm no longer going to see this unnecessary ad here. So I can now mine my Swapfone airdrop simple without seeing all those discussing guys. Right now I can now log into my Swapfone without that unnecessary ads. Let me just log in again. You see that I have now I have started mining without seeing those unnecessary ads. So I'm going to click on mine here. So I'm already mining. So this is what you do basically. Right now I will not be seeing those unnecessary ads. So make sure that you are available. Stay tuned for tomorrow to win this Pi USDS and CPEN. Make sure that you are available to win this airdrop. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. You can as well join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel for high value update. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.